State court versus federal court. There's been a lot of mention, and you've probably seen this a bunch of times where people start talking about why is there this great big thing about appointing judges. Think about it like this. In the state court system, you tend to have judges that are elected by the people. That means people like you and me. So this way, these judges have a tendency, not all the time, but they just have a tendency to be more, I hate to say plaintiff friendly because that implies that they look at it solely in the light favorable for a plaintiff. But basically what you're having is a situation where these are judges that are picked by the people. So the people are definitely going to have a greater interest to have someone who they believe that through their vetting and their investigation and their looking at the campaign to determine it's going to give rulings or render rulings that are going to look at it in the light most favorable to all sides, but definitely in favor of the plaintiff. Federal court is a little different. Federal court, those judges are appointed by the president. So unfortunately, you don't, as an individual, you don't get the opportunity to have any voice in who gets appointed, other than appointing the president and then trusting that president is going to appoint someone who is going to be in line with your philosophies with regards to how they handle judicial matters. So from a personal injury standpoint, maybe not so much from a workers' comp standpoint, you're probably in line to probably have more of a jury trial. Again, I would encourage you to contact a personal injury attorney in your area, but you're going to find in state court, you're going to probably find that more so. Whenever tough financial times kick in, what they used to tell us in law school is that what you normally will see is a trend towards an increase in lawsuits. Now, I want you to understand that just because I'm saying that, I'm not implying that people will go out and file frivolous lawsuits. But it just tends to be the trend that whenever you have a situation where people lose their jobs, there is a tough economic hardship or something like that tends to happen, one of the trends that you will start to notice is an increase in lawsuits.